What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I decided I wanted to make a cover video. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a cover for your channels. I specifically made my cover for the WeTube, but you can also take this cover and you can put it on anything. Today I'm going to show you how to get some free software so that way you're able to make art and you're able to join me in this fun little activity. Thanks for clicking on the video. Obviously you guys wanted to know how to do this. If you guys like this one, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys are interested in wanting to watch more of these types of things, I love art. So if this helps you out, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscription button. Alright, well, I'm gonna take a couple of bong rips so that way we can get loosey-goosey. Everything on this video is going to be free and fun. Oh no, you guys, oh my gosh. I just flipped my container of weed and it's all grounded up. Oh my gosh. My weed! I was about to smoke you. Little bitch ass. Press my thumbs down, pick it up. You guys, this is the worst way to start an intro. I cannot believe I did this. Bye. Let's just get rid of the rest. Get rid of the rest because I'm getting sad looking at it, knowing I cannot pick up everything. Alright guys, now that I got my weed all packed up, cheers. I'm gonna smoke a little more and then we are going to head in to work on this. I'm taking another bowl. I'm going in, guys. Whoa. I'm feeling pretty good right now, bro. Can we get to this cover? I don't know. I can't see. The hit was too strong. Neighbors are probably like, this bitch is crazy.
Wiggle, wiggle. Like.
Alright, let's get this project started. As you can see here, the cover is going to be 1920 by 350. So that's the width and height we're going to be using for this project. Let me show you how I got my free art software to make this project come to life. First, you're going to open up your browser and go to Google. Then you're going to type Krita in the search engine. As you can see here, we get a link to krita.org. A lot of schools use the .org programs, so this is a safe website to download from. It's also been up and running for 14 years now. Keep in mind that this software is only available to Windows. So once you get to the website, you're going to click on Download at the top, and you'll be presented with the blue Windows Installer tab. Go ahead and click on that to start your download, and come back when you're ready to go. Okay, so now that you got your software open, you're going to start a new file. A window should pop up and ask for your dimensions. You're going to be plugging in 1920 for your width and 350 for your height. Once you get that done, hit the create button. You'll then be presented with the blank canvas, and from here we're going to start a background grid. We're going to open up the color tab at the top, and for me I'm going to choose neon colors. I'm going to go with neon pink, and for the bottom square I'm going to go with neon blue. Once you got your colors set, you're going to go to the top where the grid bar is and make sure that both colors are showing. You're going to use your grid tool to color your canvas in. And for me, I'm going to try and center my purple in the center because I want my colors to spread out and be even. I'm liking the look of this, so I think I'm just going to keep it this way. So when you're ready for the next step, you're going to go into layers and tap on layer 1. We're going to rename this to background. And the reason why we're renaming these layers is so we stay organized and we don't get confused as to what layer is what. You're going to click on the plus button to add a new layer, lock in your background, make sure you're on layer 2, and set your color to white. From here, we are going to click on the solid white square so we can create ourselves a white border. We're going to click on the white circle next to that square, and we're going to create some shapes for the background. we're going to use the brush in the toolbar to manipulate the image and erase some of the areas we don't want to see with the color white. Once you get that situated, we're going to go back and get our circle. We're going to go to our layers, tap on layer 2, and rename that to border. Now we're going to add a new layer and we're going to lock in our border. Make sure you're on layer 3 and rename that to rings. So for this layer, I'm going to put a couple rings in the center, and the reason why I'm choosing rings to put in the center is because I want my viewers to focus on my channel name. For this third ring, I don't quite like the way that it looks, so I use the hotkeys Ctrl-Z to erase what I had just done. From here, we're going to go back into our browser and we're going to search up cloud drawings. As I was scrolling, I found this cute cloud that I wanted to add into my images. So I ended up downloading this onto my desktop. Go ahead and rename your image to clouds. That way it's easier for you to find on your desktop. From here, you're going to want to go into your folder and find your cloud, open up your software, and grab the cloud and drag it over to your canvas. Click Insert New Layer. From here, you're going to go and click on that magic wand, then click on the black border of the cloud, lock it in, and then we're going to add a new layer. Click on the bucket tool, and then we're going to recreate that black cloud border on this new layer. Now we're going to go into our layers and unlock the cloud image and delete that. I don't quite like the black border, so I'm going to switch that over to white by using my paint bucket again. Head over to the toolbar and click on your grid button. Now we're going to be focusing on the background cloud colors. And for me, I'm wanting to keep the same colors as I did on my layer 1 that we renamed background. To be able to focus on the inside of the cloud, we have to close up all the other layers. So you're going to want to tap on the eye icon located on the left side of each layer. From here, click on the magic wand and then click inside the cloud, but make sure you're on the proper layer. Once you're focused on the inside of the cloud, you can now reopen the layers back up. I decided that it would look cool if I had a transparent background, so I went to the top and readjusted the opacity to the look that I liked. Go back up to your toolbar and click on that box icon. This right here allows you to readjust your sizing. In order for you to keep the same diameter, you have to hold down Shift and then readjust your cloud. Once you've found your size you'd like, go ahead and rearrange your cloud anywhere that you'd like on your canvas. I'm arranging my cloud everywhere on the screen because I'm trying to visualize where I'd like to place my clouds. Once you found a spot where you want to put your cloud, go ahead and hit Ctrl-C to copy and then Ctrl-V to paste. You don't necessarily have to copy the way I'm pasting my image, but if you want to make another copy of your cloud, go ahead and hit Ctrl-V. For this new copy of my cloud, I'm going to post it in the center, but I don't like that it's see-through because I want people to be able to read my name. So what I'm going to do is hit Ctrl-C and then hit Ctrl-V to make it a little bit thicker. I did hit Ctrl-V one more time so I can make a third copy and rearrange it to another place I'd like my clouds to be. Feel free to make as many clouds as you'd like by hitting Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. With this next cloud, I want to readjust the sizing, so I'm going to hit Shift and resize. If there's a cloud size that you like and want to make a copy of, go ahead and hit Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You should have the same sizing as the one you copied. Once you're done decorating your canvas, you're going to go up to Files and you're going to hit Save As. Feel free to name your file and make sure that you're saving your file type as JPEG or PNG. Click Save, but don't close this software. You're going to hit OK, and the next step is to go to your channel. Click on Edit Cover and a window called Open or Folder should pop up. You're going to search for the file you just saved and then hit Open. Now that you did that, there should be a notification that pops up saying User Cover updated successfully. Notice that the cloud in the center isn't exactly in the center. That's why I had you leave your software open, so we can adjust anything that needs to be made. Go into your toolbox and click on this icon. From here, we're going to go into our layers, and we're going to click on all of the layers that we need by holding the Shift button and clicking all of the layers that need to be adjusted. Leave the border and background alone because those don't need to be played with. Click and grab your icons and readjust them in any direction you need to. In my case, I need to move my icons a little bit to the left. Once adjusted to your liking, hit File, Save As, click on your image and save. Hit Yes and hit OK. Head back to your channel, hit Edit Cover. The same window should pop up. You should tap on the picture icon that you saved, hit Open, and you should be set and ready to go. Yay! This cover came out super cool. I really enjoyed making this for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you want to see more, hit that subscription button. You know what to do. Until next time, don't forget to wash your hands.